I have an Apple AirPod killer that I discovered at the Consumer Electronics Show. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. For those of you who watch me regularly, I'm here every day to save you more cash than anyone else in the country. I give everything I test away to the amazing subscribers watching. And if you guys watched me a few weeks ago at the Consumer Electronics Show, where we're actually taping this right now, this was one of the huge deals that I discovered, which was a promotional reduction at CES, the world's largest consumer electronics show in Las Vegas, for a very limited time. My intern Dominique is going to give you the full jump test. I'm going to do the unboxing, and I'm also going to introduce you to the inventor that I stalked at the Consumer Electronics Show this year. The item that I have in my hand right now, which is not a paid product, TrebLab is not paying me to talk about them. I don't care whether or not you buy this, but I do want to make sure you all get hooked up with this deal, which I'm going to unbox for you, show you up close, which is located right under this video screen, and also part of that huge giveaway, which I'm going to feature in a moment. You've all heard or perhaps considered the Apple AirPods if you're an iPhone user, and if you're an Android user, you'll probably want to have nothing to do with those. This is a solution for people on both sides of the spectrum. And if you haven't heard of TrebLab, this is the second deal that I featured of theirs. They are one of the most incredibly well-rated audio brands in the world. The Apple AirPod Killer, headphones that work with both Apple and Android that are also wireless, sweat-proof, way better in all of our tests. They stay in. They have an ingenious built-in hands-free microphone for under $80, down from $200 with free shipping. If these sell out, there is a waiting list. The packaging kind of awesome because it's smiling at you, just like I was smiling the second I put these in.
Hey guys, it's Dominique here, and I'm here at the YouTube studios. Now, right now we're doing something completely unrelated to, well, these, but I just wanted to show you that I have these all the time, and believe it or not, they're as good as Beats by Dre. So if you just put them in with this on top.
Good. Oh, the
wow.
shake. Okay, so
Right.
Dominique, you just said they're as good as Beats by Dre. I don't like Beats by Dre.
Well, I love them. So me saying that, that's, you know, that says a lot. Because, I mean, I love Beats.
Okay.
They're so comfortable too. But...
I'm gonna end this shot now.
All right.
These are great for jumping active people, totally sweat-proof, which brings a level of H2O protection to these headphones you just won't find in many other cases, and it's built-in microphone, which I consider ingenious. Absolutely awesome. For those of you that found that Black Friday TrebLab deal that I hunted down, which I was a big fan of, you loved it, but as you've seen, that wire that adjoins a lot of the headphones on the Bluetooth market, not something you find with these today. One of the things that I love about CES is you can find the inventors and the creators of your favorite products, and you can stalk them and follow them around. And Alex, I'm sorry I did that to you. I know it was a little weird. Alex,
Yes, it was.
I recognized right away. He invented the TrebLab headphones, the audio that has actually redefined a lot of what I've done and understand.
The thing that motivated me to create this product was the fact that I saw that the customers were getting ripped off by the products that are being sold today in the market.
Amen.
Yeah, so I had to do something about that in order to bring valuable products to customers which we love and respect. And for that reason, we created TrebLab, which offers the kind of products that bring value to the lives of our customers.
And I'd like to apologize to you right now in front of all of our viewers. I'm sorry I'm taking so much money of your way with coupon codes because you have these prices which are great to begin with, but then I go even lower and I'm basically getting them to people for free, so I apologize. But the nice thing is the exposure that people are getting tied to your product. The #1 most popular item I have ever featured. People love what you built.
Thank you, Matt. I really appreciate all the attention you bring to our products, and I understand the energy that's being spent in order to present the product to the customers. And I appreciate the value that you see in our product because I did not ask you to do this.
I know.
You've been the one who initiated it.
And I just want to show you, while they are streaming music, and the quality of this is just unbelievable, they stay in perfectly. Amazing. Look at this. My microphone's falling off, but these are staying. Let's just get the microphone back. Awesome. Now, if you want to grab this deal, which is located right under the video screen, you now have access to this deal. It's probably going to sell out again, and I'm probably going to get a lot of hate comments when it does. And as I mentioned, a lucky subscriber, you're now about to get hooked up. Using TubeBuddy's random selection tool to find a subscriber who's commented in the last 6 months. And again, anyone is eligible as long as you're subscribed with your notifications on so you never miss a giveaway. Stephen Poole. Awesome. This is a long-time subscriber. He is great. Just email support@mattsdailydeals.com to claim your freebie. Yes, you've won, and they're still not falling out, and you didn't win this pair because I've obviously worn these and I'm keeping them and I bought them, but you don't have to buy a pair of headphones, so good for you. For those of you that want to get hooked up with all of the other awesome deals that I feature, make sure you never miss an opportunity to save money. It would be my pleasure to hook you up.
Hey everyone, I'm away at college right now, but I miss you all and Matt so much, which is why I'm glad he's here to help me film this outro. If you want to become subscribed to his channel, click on his head right here and you'll never miss out. And if you want to learn how to comment and turn your YouTube notifications on, click right up here. And if you want to see another amazing deal brought to you by Moneyman Matt Granite, click right over here.